Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blue cheese sauce for pasta. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth cooking process. You'll need about 4 ounces of your favorite blue cheese, 1 cup of rich heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 clove of minced garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and salt to taste. Having everything prepared makes the process much easier. Now, let's start building that delicious base. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a medium saucepan over a gentle medium-low heat. Once the butter is shimmering, add your 1 minced garlic clove. Sauté it for about 1 minute, just until it becomes wonderfully fragrant, but be careful not to let it brown. Next, slowly pour in 1 cup of heavy cream, stirring it gently to fully combine with the butter and garlic. This is where the magic happens. Crumble your 4 ounces of blue cheese directly into the warm cream mixture. Continue to stir gently and continuously. The goal is to melt the cheese completely, creating a smooth, luxurious sauce without any lumps. Once it's perfectly smooth, season your sauce with a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and add salt to your liking. Taste and adjust for that perfect balance of flavors. Your incredible blue cheese sauce is now ready. Toss it immediately with your favorite hot, cooked pasta for a truly satisfying meal. For an extra touch of elegance and flavor, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or a few more blue cheese crumbles. This sauce also pairs wonderfully with chicken or steak. And for a truly effortless clean, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.